she'll be watching me teach you guys today, okay?
Hi. Hi.
You want to hit the red button?
I already did.
Oh, you already did, okay. Okay, so let's see, today we are on page 262, so 262 in the textbook. Thank you. 262 in the textbook, okay?
Oh, yeah.
262 in your textbook, okay? Is everybody getting to 262?
Yes?
Okay, when you get to 262, put the green marker in your hand so that I know you're there so that we can get started, okay?
You sorry.
Green markers, good. Okay, so remember I told you yesterday, today we were going to talk about possessive nouns. Okay, who can tell me what noun is? Randa. Person, place, thing. Okay, so now, who can tell me what the word possess means? Possess? Yep. Does anybody have an idea of what possess means? Exactly. Something that you have, or a word that I'm going to use to add on to that is own, okay? So something that you have or own. So your possessions are yours, okay? So today we're going to talk about possessive nouns. Who wants to take a guess what that is, what a possessive noun is? Randa? Well, yes, you do add the S, but what is a possessive noun? Basically, what we're doing, we're putting this together. So it's going to be a person, a place, or a thing that owns something or that has something, okay? So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to draw an arrow in there and there because I just don't feel like writing all that. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of a possessive noun in a sentence, okay? So the sentence is, the girl's dress is yellow. Which would be the possessive noun in that sentence? Can anybody have a guess of what it might be? The girl's dress is yellow. Let's pull. That's a noun, but that's not. Travis?
Yellow?
No. Marvin? Girls, yes. So, always when you're thinking of possessive noun, I want you to think of who is owning it, or who has it, okay? Okay, so everybody look at the top. Let's see, at the very top of your page, there's a yellow box, okay? Yellow box that kind of explains how we use possessive nouns, okay? I'm going to read the directions at the top. You know that a noun names a person, place, or a thing. Use a possessive noun to show who owns or possesses something, and that's what you guys told me, okay? Okay, so here is the rules. Now we're going to go through the rules for how to use a possessive noun, okay? So the first rule is if there's one owner, it says add, let's see, I'm going to write on this one. One owner let's look at the example. You guys see in the very first sentence? Actually, right here in this box. In this box. Thank you. The highlighted word. Who can tell me the noun in that sentence, the main noun in that very first sentence in the yellow box? Under example, Marvin?
Person?
It is a person. What's his name in the yellow box? No, you're on the right page. Just say it however you. Yeah, Juan. Yep. So Juan, it says Juan's lungs have worked hard as he crossed the finish line. So Marvin said that Juan is the owner. They're his lungs. So we're going to put an apostrophe S at the end of Juan to show that it's his lungs. The second example is each racer's face turned red. What's the noun? Randa, racer. And what of theirs did they possess or own? They're what? Good. Okay, so now they tell us if there's more than one owner, okay? So it says, if there's more than one owner, add an apostrophe if the noun already ends in S. So let's see. More than one. Add this after the S, if there's already an S. If there is already an S. Okay? So let's look at the example. The girls' team did warm-up exercises. What's the noun? Girls, yep. Is there more than one or is it just one girl?
More?
More than one. So where's the apostrophe go? After the S. Because there's already an S there and there's more than one. Good. Next example. The runner's feet pounded the track. Runners. More than one or just one?
More than one.
Okay. And what did they own? Good. Okay. So now, the other example of more than one, it says, add an apostrophe S if the noun does not end in S. So remember, there's some words that are plural if there's, it doesn't necessarily end in an S. So like if I say children, does that mean one or more than one? Children, my children?
More than one.
More than one, right. So then I would put a what? Would I put an apostrophe S, okay? I'll write it up there just again, so that I have all the rules up here for you guys. More than one, add apostrophe S. That's good. Okay, so now we are going to do you guys see the practice together? In red it says practice together, about halfway down the page, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples. Okay, so we're going to do that together, okay? I'll read the sentence and then we'll kind of talk about which noun we're going to use, okay? So it says, change each set of underlined words into a possessive noun, then say each sentence, okay? So, example number 1, I'll do this one first, okay? It says, the lungs that belong to John are strong. Does everybody see where I did that?
Yes.
In your book? Okay. So first, I'm going to find the noun that I want to use.
John.
John, that's right. Good job. Then, I want to find out what he owns.
Lungs.
Lungs, right. So it's going to be John's, go to this board, John, J-O-N. Is there an S at the end?
No.
Is there an S at the end of his name?
No.
Is it more than one person?
No.
Okay, so then I'm going to put apostrophe S, and we said what? Lungs, right? John's lungs. This is number one. Okay. I'm gonna bring my book over here. And, okay, so now let's do number two kind of together, how we just did this, that first one. Okay? So now number two says, the eyes of the twins are brown. Okay. So, who wants to tell me what the noun that we're, Travis?
Twins.
Twins, okay, so for number two, we're going twins. Okay,
Eyes of the twins are brown.
Whose eyes?
The twins' eyes.
good job.
There you go.
Okay, so we have twins, now we need to figure out, are we putting, let me move out of the way so you can see the rules, are we putting an apostrophe here, or are we putting it at the end?
The end.
Good, we are putting it at the end. And what do they own
Eyes.
or possess?
Eyes.
Good. The twins' eyes. Okay, let's go to number three. Does anybody want to read number three? Randa, go ahead. Everybody make sure you're listening so you can hear Randa.
The doctor listens to the heart that belongs to Chico.
Chico, yep. She said the doctor listens to the heart that belongs to Chico. Who is our noun that we are going to use? Right, Jamal. Chico. Okay. Chico. And what does he own?
Heart.
Heart. And now, is this noun, does it need an S with an apostrophe after, or an apostrophe then an S?
S. Apostrophe with the S after.
Apostrophe with an S. Okay, does anybody who wants to read number four? Number four,
Yes.
Valeria. Okay, go ahead. Number four.
The athletes attempt the advice of the coaches.
Good. The athletes accept the advice of the coaches.
Oh, except.
That's okay. It's fine. Okay, so number four. All right. Okay, Valeria.
Oh,
You're fine.
sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Who's our noun for this sentence that we're going to use?
Coaches.
Coaches. Good. I thought they might trick you there when it said athletes. Oh, okay, and what do they own or possess?
Advice.
Good. Advice. And what am I doing with an apostrophe for this one? In between or at the end? Here or here? Right here where my thing is?
Yeah.
Okay. Last one, number five. Who wants to read? Travis, go ahead.
The coaches care about the health of their players.
Okay, good. Number five. Give me a noun.
Players.
Players. What?
Health.
Health? Okay. And where's the apostrophe go? At the top?
By the S.
Right here by the S?
No, like.
At the end?
Yeah.
Okay,
Good job, Marvin.
good. Okay, so now here's the activity that we're gonna do for the next five, 6 through 10, okay? We're gonna be doing the same thing, except what you guys are going to do is basically what we did right here on the board. You're going to do it on your whiteboard, okay? So I'll read it, I'll read the sentence, and then you guys are going to write what the noun and what they possess, okay? So is everybody ready? Go ahead, get your marker and your whiteboard ready.
Can we write this?
No, you don't have to write the whole sentence. You just how we did right up here on the board. That's how we're gonna do it, okay? So number 6. Is everybody ready? Show me that you're ready
Yes.
by just having your marker ready in your hand, okay? Ashley, can you get your marker ready in your hand? Can you take the lid off? For me?
I had some.
Thank you. Levi, you got your marker in your hand so I can see you're ready? Thank you. Okay, here we go. Number 6. The research of the scientist tells about keeping your lungs healthy. Write down the possessive noun and what they possess, okay? When you're done, hold up your, not your board, not your board, not your board. Hold up your Kleenex. Okay? Hold up your Kleenex so then I can see that you are done. Okay, who wants to tell me what they have written down for this one? Or, hold, okay, go ahead, Jamal. Oh, I thought you had your hand up.
The scientists.
Research?
Research and scientists.
Okay. Now everybody, he says research and scientists, which is right. Now I need to see, hold them up because I gotta see where you put your apostrophe.
Number 6.
No.
Scientist research, scientist research, scientist research, scientist research. And I think everybody put the apostrophe before the S. Good job, everybody. You can erase your board. We're going to number 7. Okay?
Yeah.
Same thing. All you have to write is the possessive noun and the thing that they possess, okay? And remember, you can use the rules that we wrote on the board, okay? Okay, number 7. And don't forget, you're changing the underlined, what they have underlined in the sentence, okay? The hearts of the children beat fast when they skate. I'll read it again while you guys go. The hearts of the children beat fast when they skate. And then hold up your. Oops. No. Okay.
Sorry.
Over here.
What's the noun?
If you're done, wave your thing in the air so I can see. Yeah,
Oh, like this?
yeah.
No. Or is it I give up?
Also, first one done.
Winston wants to stick the whole thing.
Alright, good. Levi, you done? Okay. Levi's gonna tell what he wrote for this one, okay? Everybody listening, okay? What'd you pick for the noun? Children and the hearts. Okay, now everybody hold up your board so I can see where you put your apostrophe. Where did you guys put your apostrophe? Did you before the S? Good job. Can I see yours? Good.
He had it, yes, I had to be proactive.
Too
and
quick.
erase too soon.
Too quick. Good. 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 You guys are gonna do awesome on this Kahoot. I can already tell. Number 8. Oh, erase your board. Erase your board. Erase your board. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, here we go. Number 8. The mom of Marissa wants her to eat healthy food. Remember, we're using the underlined words to make our possessive noun. The mom of Marissa wants her to eat healthy food. Okay? Which one? The mom of Marissa wants her to eat.
Check this out.
Okay, is everybody ready? Okay, what's the other thing? Okay, who wants to give what they got for this one? Marvin? Okay, go ahead, Marvin.
Wait, what do I say?
Tell me what the noun, the possessive noun, and then what they possess.
Mom and Marissa?
Mom and Marissa.
Yeah.
Travis says no. Travis, why do you say no?
It would be Marissa. Then.
Oh, yeah.
Is Marissa right? It was tricky. So now that you know that Travis told you that it's Marissa's mom, so change what you have and write how you would do the correct noun, okay? Everybody else hold up your board so I can see while the people that had it different are changing it. Good. Up top. That's a comma. Okay. We're gonna skip number 9. We're gonna go to number 10 so that we can get to our Kahoot, okay? Number 10. Here we go. The girls exercise in the gym of their school. Remember, we're using the underlined words. The girls exercise in the gym of their school. Remember, you're looking for the possessive noun and what they possess.
Who's the noun? What are we talking about? Yes. Yes.
go. Tegan, can you tell me what you have for the noun in their possession? Can you tell me what you wrote down on your board?
School's gym.
Good. School. Did everybody have school's gym? Can you guys hold up
Yes.
your board so we can see? All right. Awesome. And everybody has it in the right spot.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. I want everybody to get out your Chromebook and go to Kahoot. Okay? Take out your Chromebook and go to Kahoot.
My Chromebook can't
You know what I want. I got not think of it. You know what I want. Or not. These are too hard.
Okay, when you get to Kahoot, here's the code right here. You guys can use nicknames, but if it's inappropriate, I'm gonna zap you. And if I have to zap you twice, you're not playing.
Oh.
Okay? So you what? If it's inappropriate, the nickname that what?
Sniper King, what's that?
Sniper
That's
King?
not inappropriate, that's fine.
Yeah, but games here.
So you're saying that we shouldn't put swear words?
Yeah, we don't want to
Yeah,
do
that would be
any of
one.
that.
Don't put swear words. Okay.
Or do this finger?
Gotta get going. Hey guys, while you guys are getting ready, I'm gonna come around and pick up the markers that you guys use. Okay?
Gamer tag.
Yeah, I was the first one in.
No game. No.
Oh,
Got it.
okay.
Bam! I memorized something just by looking at it. This is so awesome. Yeah, I like to look at something once and I remember this.
There you go.
I got this. I still have it.
Like this,
Oh,
okay?
you just kicked it all the way.
Ninjago. That's
Oh,
good.
is that what it is?
Yeah?
Ninjago, that's a Lego thing.
It's Ninjago.
Ninjago.
No, Ninjago.
Alright.
It's
Here,
Ninjago.
Marker. Marker. Marker.
There we go.
Okay, tell me who's Rocky Road 27?
Right here.
Alright. Natalie Randa, Valeria Tegan.
That's my gamer tag.
Let me guess, Black Panther. Who's Black Panther? You? Like, Jamal.
Oh, I'm not in.
Who's Liddy Lights? You? Wait for one more person.
What?
You just love these.
Marvin, is that you?
What now? What did you say?
Marvin, who are you?
Alright, we're gonna go after.
Savage for life.
Mine was the best.
Alright.
I can't really see.
I am so
Alright.
old.
And if you can't see, that's fine, you can move up.
Ninjago.
Voices so we can get started. Voices so we can get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Levi, do you need to move up? Yeah. Okay, that's
Just
fine.
grab your computer and go up there.
Okay, so this is gonna be over possessive nouns again. And it's
Come
gonna
on.
give you 3 choices. And you pick what the possessive noun is and if the apostrophe is in the right place, okay? Here, right, stay right there, Blair. I'm start over there. Come over there. So there. Good, thank you. Okay, is everybody ready? Got everybody in? Okay, here we go. And I'll kind of say it out. I'll read it out loud so you guys can hear and stuff. Okay. Okay, here we go. 10 questions.
Alright.
I gave blank marbles to his friend. Marks, apostrophe S, or Marks, S apostrophe.
If you want to go up, you can.
Yeah, easy.
Hey, there we go.
see, because Miranda's minor.
Okay, here we go.
That's hard.
Miranda, move your
Next
binder.
question. Good job, everyone.
Thanks.
Valeria, first place. Whoa, Valeria.
Oh, chill. It's not even.
Okay, here we go. Number 2. The 5 blank on this street are painted white. Houses. Houses, apostrophe S. Houses, S
Oh,
apostrophe.
no, I got the wrong one. Darn it. No, no,
Oh, he wasn't ready.
If I get it wrong.
What?
What?
Oh, no.
I was the only one that
That
got
one.
right.
That one tricked you.
Oh,
That one was not a possessive noun. It was just a noun talking about the houses.
Oh, darn it.
Okay, does everybody understand? Hey, does everybody understand why it was wrong?
Because of the painted.
Because
Why?
it was talking about the houses, but it didn't say that they possessed anything.
Oh.
It was just the houses, okay? Does everybody got it?
Yes.
Okay,
Next.
here we go.
Oh, she's.
On to the next one, number 3.
Yeah.
Valeria's still in first place.
Oh, yeah.
Blank little lamb had fleece as white as snow. Mary's apostrophe S or Mary's S apostrophe.
That's what I found.
Second.
There we go. Okay,
Oh my gosh.
What did it say for that?
I did it, yo.
I'm still behind you. What is this?
okay. Who picked the red? Raise your hand if you picked the red. Why'd you guys pick the red?
Doesn't this say possess?
I
Huh?
meant to put that, but I was like,
You meant to put blue?
yeah, because I know the.
But
that
it
goes
didn't say
first.
possess though. But okay.
What did you say? It didn't possess?
It didn't say possess.
Okay,
But okay.
it's Mary's, it's her lamb.
Oh.
So she
Never
owns
mind.
it, okay? That's what I mean by possess,
Yeah.
like she owns it or she has it,
Okay.
okay? Here we go, next one. Janet put her 3 blank bowls in the kitchen. Dogs, apostrophe S, dogs, apostrophe.
Oh, it's dogs. What? I knew it, I was
Oh!
Okay,
right. Are you kidding me?
so this is one we gotta talk about. How many, okay, listen. How many dogs did she have?
3.
3. So she had multiple dogs, right? So let's look at our rule. Look at our rule right here. More than one, add apostrophe after the S if there is already an S. If I said dogs, if I just said, hey, look at those dogs, is there already an S there?
Yes.
And then there's going to be the apostrophe at the end, okay? Everybody know why it was
Yes.
wrong?
Yeah.
The opposite.
Okay.
Duh.
I can't get everything right all the time.
I know.
Okay, here we go. Next one. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. My blank car broke down on her way to work. Boss is apostrophe S. Boss is apostrophe.
Yeah. Sick.
Boss is apostrophe S. Good job.
So cool.
You guys ready? Next one. Here we go. Oh, somebody's making a move up. Rocky Road 27 making a move up. And Jamal. Their blank wheels popped when they went over the nails. Their bikes apostrophe S or bikes apostrophe.
Yeah.
All right.
only one.
Right, there is more than one bike, and it's their wheels. So that is why it was yellow or circle. Good. Okay, here we go. Does everybody that got it wrong know, understand? Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. For blank, sleep all day. Cats. Cats apostrophe S.
Careful.
Cats apostrophe.
Careful.
Think about it.
You got it.
I got right.
Are you serious?
Hilarious.
Okay.
Rocking it.
Cool.
Very good.
Valeria, you got it right. Why is it just cats? Why is it just an S with no apostrophe? Everybody listen. Can you tell me why? Valeria?
It's because it says cats.
Yep. Is there anything that they own or they possess that they have?
They have more than just one cat.
Right. Okay.
Ah.
Yep. So remember, there's no. The cats do not own anything or do not have anything. It just tells us what they're doing. They're sleeping. So there's multiple cats, but they're not owning anything. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
It's gonna be sad. Oh.
The blank restroom was just cleaned. Women's apostrophe S. Women's apostrophe.
Oh!
I got that wrong.
Come on, that's not.
Okay, so women's apostrophe S because it's more than one and it's their restroom. Okay? Remember women, because remember women is like a word that would not have an S. It would just be women, so that means multiple. Okay?
Yeah.
I don't even know what question we're on right now. 8. 8?
Yeah.
Here we go. Those blank shirts are blue. Boys apostrophe S. Boys apostrophe. How many boys were there? 2 boys. Look at our rules. More than one. If there's already an S, put the apostrophe after the S. So there was 2 boys, and it was their shirts. Okay, you gotta remember that. If it's more than one, and there's an S, the apostrophe goes after. Okay. If you guys can't remember, I wrote the rules down over on the board over here. Okay. Here we go. I like going down the blank in the park. Slides, apostrophe S, slides, apostrophe.
Oh, right.
That is so.
Okay. Do the slides own anything? Do the slides own anything? No. So that's why we don't have an apostrophe, okay?
Okay.
Can we do it again?
This one?
Yes.
Not today,
Tomorrow?
but,
What about sports?
oh, that was the last question.
Winners.
Winners, our first place was Valeria. Clap, you guys can clap, you did a good job. Second place was Levi. And third place was Ashton. But you guys all did a good job. Okay? And since everybody did good in our lesson today, Everyone else
everybody else
will
gets
get
one.
a Jolly Rancher too, okay?
Hey, Jim, I wanna read the next one.
Okay, okay, after you guys get your, okay, after you guys get your, candy, hey guys, after you get your candy, I just wanna go over the rules with you one more time, okay?
I'm first place.
Okay. Let's get back to our seats, and then we're gonna go over the rules one more time before our class is over, okay?
You take two too? I took one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
you took two, Jamal.
Marvin. Okay, here we go. First thing we always have to remember is, well, that, well, I'm talking about for possessive nouns. The first thing we want to remember is, does our noun own or have something? So remember, you guys kind of got confused on the ones that were, it was just an S, they didn't own or have a possession, they didn't possess anything, okay? So that's the first thing we want to remember is, what does the noun possess, okay? So then, if there is one owner, I need you guys looking at the board, please. Thank you. If there is one owner, only one, we're going to add an apostrophe S, okay? If there is more than one owner, and there is already an S, so like the boys, remember the boys' shirts are blue? If there's already an S, you're going to put the apostrophe after. And if there is more than one, and it doesn't have an S on the end already, then we're going to do it like the first one, and put apostrophe and then the S. Okay? You guys all did a good job today on the lesson. I need you guys to, why don't you guys put your books away and stack your whiteboards for me right here, okay?
Should we do that
And you guys can
tomorrow?
talk quietly with your classmates, okay, for the last few minutes
Should we
of
do
class.
Kahoot tomorrow? We do this.
Well, tomorrow's read day.